Hey, hello guys, welcome back to DevLabsai. So guys, in this video we are going to solve cloud monitoring quick start. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe channel as well as hit that bell icon to get more updates on based on cloud as well as AI guys. So guys, the saddest part is that I am getting views but not as subscribers. So please do like and subscribe channel as well as hit the bell icon too. So get it will be more motivated to solve solution based on cloud as well as AI guys. So please do subscribe channel guys. So let me move to this app and click on start the lab here. So now guys, just you need to just log into your credentials and then access the tab here. So just copy your password or else right click on this Google Chrome console and open your Incognito mode here, your console in Incognito mode, and the automatically before labs you need to enter manually, but now it has been updated. You can directly log into your without any ID and password. So same ID and password will be added here. So click on I understand here. So now click on agree and continue, and click on agree and continue. And now guys, open your cloud share terminal in your lab. So you can see this icon, click on that and then enlarge this and then wait for a second here. So click on continue here and then click on authorize. So just come back to our lab guys. So guys, I'll put a link in description, so get as of GitHub link here. So just come back to a GitHub repo and just copy the curl command what you're looking at the display here. So just copy this and just come back to your terminal backside and your terminal will be displayed like this. So paste your curl command here and click on enter. So after clicking enter here, wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes guys. After that our lab will be easily solved. So before that, please do subscribe to channel guys. So that is one thing you must do here. Okay. So now guys, finally we have been executed this lab. So you can see our command has been executed and finally we have been completed this lab. So just come back to our lab and let me check our progress. So it is a main and crucial step here. So just click on task number 1 and click on check my progress. So you will get a green tick without any issue. If any issue, please do comment in the comment section so that it will be more useful to solve solution based on that. Okay, what do you ask? So or else do join our WhatsApp as well as Telegram community. So I'll be there to answer your queries too. So just click on check my progress of task number 2 and you'll get a green tick without any issue here and here too. And the another check my progress. So click on check my progress at the task number 4 and finally guys you will get a green tick without any issue here too. And at task number 7, so there is no more check my progress guys. Finally guys, we have been completed the lab. So before ending the lab, please make sure that please like and subscribe channel as well as hit a bell icon too guys. So it will be more motivated to follow solution based on cloud as well as AI guys. So let me meet on next video guys. Thank you.